Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the developer mode on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So for this you need to open your settings app. Now settings app can be opened in a few different ways, so I'm going to show you all the ways. You can either search for settings app by just clicking on this search option and then search for settings, and you will see this result which says settings app, and then click on this. It's going to open the settings app. Otherwise you can right click on your Windows icon here and then click on settings. It's also going to open this settings app from here. Once the settings app is open, you need to scroll on the left hand side and just click on this option which says privacy and security, and then click on for developers. So I'm going to just click on for developers option, and here you can see the developer mode, right? So by default it's off. You can turn this on by just toggling this toggle button. So I'm going to do that, and it's going to show you this warning. So read this warning carefully, which says turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risk or harm your device. Turn on developers mode. So if you accept this, then click on yes, which is going to turn on the developer mode on your Windows 11 operating system. Here you can also enable some other options like device portal, device discovery. So you can also enable these things from this section. So this is how you can enable the developer mode on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.